Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Use Basics. Today we are going to learn how to add friends on Candy Crush. Let's begin with the tutorial. Tap on play, open your Candy Crush account, then over here you can see your profile icon, tap on it. Here at the side you can see the option of friend, tap on it. Here you can see the option of add more friends, tap on it. Here you can see players who are in same level as yours. Tap on add. There you go, your invitation has been sent. You can also invite friends by tapping on this, and whoever you want to send, you can send from invite friends. Here you can add it from clicking this plus icon like this. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.